Hello friends, in this video now I will show you that how we can change this site icon in our WordPress website. This is called site icon and also called like fav icon. If you click on appearance, then click on customize, and here you can see like web page design, and here you can see site identity like logo, title, tagline, and site icon. So site icons are what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps. Upload one here, and site icons should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. So you can resize image in Photoshop, or if you want to create like from scratch, you can make, we will make like 500 as it said, like 512 by 512. So what we will do, 512 pixels and 512 resolution like 300. You can select color mode RGB and click on create. Now I will type something here like the text, and the text will be, for example, I will type only you, and this you we will make something like this, and the background I will fill with some like pattern. So this is the site icon. I will save like a file and export, save for web, and click on save, and I will save in my desktop like site icon. Save it, and now I will open my website and select site icon, upload file, select file, it is in the desktop like site icon. And then click select. So see, it will appear like this, and then click on publish. So now you can see it has been changed here. If you refresh your web page like the front, you can see also it's updated here. So simply you can replace the site icon like this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.